everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashir. Today I will explain you addition. Before going, I want to tell you, you should watch my previous videos and subscribe TechRoot. So let's start it. Okay, so I have this question. Then 7 plus 6 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. 1 will be carry because 1 is the first number, so it will be carry on 4. 13. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. And we will plus this 1, so it will become 6. If we will plus 0, 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 0 is 5. And 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 1 will be carried on 3. Then 3 plus 9 is 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then we will plus 1. And 5 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 1 is 8. And we will plus this carry 1. It will become 9. And this is our correct answer. Come to the next point. So let's start. 7 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 1 will be carried, 3 will be down. 5 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 3 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this 1 will be plus. It will become 13. Now, 5 plus 2, 5. 5 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 5, 6, 7 and 1 will be plus. Now, 5, 6, 7 and 1 will be plus. It will become 8. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
For more information, watch TechRoot Daily, subscribe my channel, like it, share with your family and friends.